Welcome to the Dexterity Drills video. Today we're doing finger rolls. Grab your gloves and follow along. Each drill will be 30 seconds long. And don't worry about messing up, we're all here to learn. So let's get started. First one's normal finger rolls. Put your hands out just like this. We're gonna open up each individual finger, pointer, all the way to pinky with one hand, then pinky all the way up to pointer with the other hand. Then we're gonna close. Then we're gonna reverse that movement. And then we're gonna close. Ready? For our next movement, we're gonna have our pointers out. We're gonna hit, transfer the finger roll to the other pointer, release, then hit back. Next, we're gonna have both pointers out, hit, finger roll to the pinky, then hit, finger roll back to pointer. Next, we're gonna do knuckle rolls. It's okay to have your thumbs in. You're gonna do exactly just kind of like the finger roll, but we're not gonna release our fingers out. We're just gonna do the knuckles. I'm gonna do it backwards. Now we're gonna extend a thumb, do the knuckle roll, then extend the thumb back. Now we're gonna tuck one thumb in, then we're gonna make the thumb go through the knuckle roll, out the other way, then reverse. Next, we're gonna come to the side where the thumb's out. We're gonna do the finger roll to the middle, then come to the side in kind of like this orbit grid. Next, we're gonna do an overhand finger roll. Have your thumbs tucked in. You're gonna open to your pinky, all the way to your other pinky, then close. Same thing reverse. Next, you're gonna have your hands down, come up while doing the finger roll to one side, then come down as you're finishing it, then coming back up and reversing. Next, we're gonna have our thumbs in just like this, then do the overhand finger roll from one side to the other. Now we're gonna do a continuous overhand finger roll. First, you're gonna take your hands just like this. With one hand, you wanna do the finger roll to one side, then complete the finger roll with the opposite finger on the other side, then come back, then open up to do the finger roll like this. So together, it should look like this. You wanna implement a little bit of this wave here as you're doing the finger roll. Next, we're gonna go and punch our fist, then do the finger roll from pointer to pinky. Next, we're gonna do a continuous underhand finger roll. We're gonna do a finger roll here, move this hand to the side, complete that finger roll, then start a new finger roll. Next, we're gonna do it on the opposite side. Next, we're gonna do a continuous finger roll with our palms facing in opposite directions. You're just gonna stack while doing the finger roll. Next, we're gonna do a finger roll starting from our pinky. Then we're gonna go ahead and connect them. Then we're gonna reverse that movement from the pointer. Now, we're gonna start from our pointers, do the finger roll. After that, you're gonna flip one hand up, then do the finger roll, all starting with your pointer. Flip back down, pointer, do the opposite side, pointer. Next, we're gonna do a finger roll while moving to the center, finishing the finger roll, then transitioning to the overhand finger roll, then transitioning to the underhand, transitioning to the overhand. Next, we're gonna have our hands just like this in kind of a diagonal. We're gonna finger roll to one side, not fully close it, then close. Finger roll out, close. And for our last one, we're gonna put our thumbs together, do the finger roll from one side, do the finger roll to the other side, go to the middle from pointer to pinky, then pinky to pointer. Congratulations, you just finished the dexterity drill. Your fingers might need a little bit of stretching right now, so it's important to keep stretching just like this. Rotate your arms, stretch out your arms just like that. Make sure that you get a good stretch, hold it there for a couple seconds, and then you're good. If you thought this video was helpful, like and subscribe and comment which finger roll variation was your favorite. Other than that, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more dexterity drill videos. Peace. If you're looking for whites, batteries, skins, or any other gloving accessory, head on over to glow-leds.com and don't forget to use my code AlohaNation for 10% off.
Big shout outs to all current Gloving Academy Patreon subscribers. Here they are. Thank you so much for all the support. Seriously, guys. The Patreon's got weekly educational and never before seen content. So if you want to take your gloving to the next level and learn from me, come join the Gloving Academy Patreon.